Previously on
FQ time.
Yes!
Winning.
Okay, we have stolen JackUltraMotive's car. This is JackUltraMotive.
Indeed, hello there.
AKA Mr. Blue M3. That is FQ time. Alright, we're gonna try this thing out. We're gonna see Tim's driving. I don't think I've been with you behind the wheel.
Really?
I don't think so. I'm trying to think.
Definitely a first then.
There it is. So far, so good.
So far, so good.
Jack, you're doing a great job.
Jack's doing. Thank you. Thank you, actually. Yes.
Did a great job. You know your car really well.
Yes, indeed. The way it shifts, it literally just kind of like comes to a stop jolt. Oh yeah, that's clutch alright.
FQ time is doing a really bad job driving this Stradale. It's a lot of clutch smell, FQ time.
Smells like money.
Smelling like money. Smells like money. You're gonna spend a lot of money. Hey, the pops and bangs on this thing is wild.
Race car traffic.
How you like it?
It's different.
Raw, right?
Yeah, it's raw, right?
Gotta get it up in the rev range.
Yeah.
You're Jack, I'm Haley.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Gosh, I'm so white.
Well, this is Jack. I'm Haley.
Oh, you're recording.
I just want some. Oh, hold on. Where's your tongue out? Tongue out. I just want some chicken fingers. Haley, we see you out here.
I see you.
We are back in Kirkland on the east side, figuring out the next destination. Okay, reaction. Challenge Stradale, official reaction.
It literally is a race car. It's
Yeah.
more of a race car than I thought it would be a race car. It's deceiving. You look at the outside, it looks like a regular 360, but with some extra venting and stuff
With
on
some
the side.
bits and a sticker.
Yeah, you know what I mean? It's got a stripe and all that stuff, but then inside, once you sit in it, oh, that's where the whole entire game changes. Right there. Yeah,
The
exactly.
clutch is, everything becomes more raw, fast.
Yeah.
Haley's got a headache.
She prefers the 570.
Yeah, well, she wants convertible and smooth.
That's true.
All right, bro. We'll catch up again. Until next time.
Yeah.
Every week or something. Okay, we are officially calling it a day. Ran around a ton. Hit the coffee shop in the morning, cars and coffee. After that, we hit up the shop for an exotic car meet. Then we did the Ferrari Club drive all the way to North Washington, or halfway up to North Washington. Then back. A lot of cars, lots of fun. Mr. Blue M3, JackUltraMotive, great time. Whole crew, good time. William, Jamie, appreciate you guys. Met up with Jennifer, aka the Quan, in her Lambo. Mark Wang with the Supercar. Until next time, guys, hope you guys like the vlog. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. What car was your favorite? What car was the loudest? I know what I heard was the loudest. My ears are still hurting, but let me know what you guys like and let's kind of go from there. Peace. Appreciate you guys. You know what time it is. FQ time 100. Hey, we're getting out of the butthole zone right now. I just want some chicken fingers.